So you've got your Galaxy Fold 7. It's brand new out the box, but you want to protect it. I know this is a very sturdy phone. I've done some really cool things with the device that I probably, shouldn't have done with a folding device. And it's stayed up. This hinge is amazing. The build is great. But we want to put a cover on it. I'm going to do a whole bunch of videos on all the different covers that you can get, some of the official ones. The first cover that I want to have a look at today is this new clear grip case. I've always liked the grip cases because they are practical. You can prop them up to see like what's on your screen. You can grip them and hold them if you are worried about it falling. And I think that's one of the concerns a lot of people would have with this, and why the clear grip case would be a clear decision. Yeah, let's get into this. Seems like most of the covers come with, and you can see it on the front over here, they come with a protector, like a glass screen protector. So I might put it on initially from one of the boxes so that you know what it's like. I'm not going to reapply it for all of them. Inside here, you seem to have, oh, this is for the screen protector. Great. So there's a cloth in here. This is the screen protector in the sleeve, and this is the cover. I'm just, they did this with the S25 Ultra as well. It's like a hard shell cover. Not like a massive fan of that. Look, if it protects it, it's great, but I way prefer the softer rubber ones. Oh, it looks like it comes with two, if I'm not mistaken. That's cool. Yeah, it's just in case you botch the one up. So let's actually put it on. Here are the instructions. So let's put this away. I need space, and you can also go away. Okay, and this is the cloth. So what I'm going to need to do is, it's also got instructions on how to put on the case. Ooh, this grip does something different. Oh, it's got like straps on it. So we need this plastic component for it. And toss this away. It says you must have it like this way, like that, and then you stick it in here. Oh, there's like, got you. So there's sticky tabs in here. Pull these sticky tabs off so that it doesn't move and is aligned. And they want you to do it with the top part of the phone. So there's actually like a camera bump over here. So you stick that on. There we go. It's stuck on. Let's see if we got it right. Luckily, they give you two, which is helpful. So they give you two. What's this? Oh, cool. Okay, so this is a dust removal sticker. Use these if you ever are putting on a cover. You pull off this dust sticker. I don't know if you can see the dust in here. There's actually plenty. I'm doing it the wrong way around. You actually have to wipe it first. There we go. So I already have a little bit of a scratch on the top right there. Should have done this sooner. There we go. And remember, this cover is only for the front panel because the inside has already got like a built-in screen protector. Yo, that's pretty impeccable. Just get it right. There we go. Take this. It says take a pair of scissors, but I'm sure we can just tear this. There we go. It's got little grooves. Now, what are the instructions? So remove this part. So the first part is, so always when you're putting a screen protector on, make sure that you follow the numbers. I've made this horrible mistake in the past. So this is the first one, number 1. Pull that off. And then the grooves, obviously, so clever. So then this goes over here. And then this. It should usually comes with like a piece of cardboard or something to like flatten it out, but we good. So once we've done that, here it is. It was this is the cardboard I was talking about. Great. Okay, so I like to just do this, and then what it wants me to do is it wants me to pull this tab up, fold it, and then this bottom part comes off like this, and then where's this thing? We'll just go like this. There we go. Perfect. Pull this off and do this. So we'll lift this up here, take this, and then we'll do exactly the same thing here. So there's like a temporary thing. Okay, there's a temporary sticker. Oh my God. Don't put your fingers on it. And then all the bubbles. No! What have I done wrong? Should have done it more like this. So you get all the bubbles out. It's a good thing they put 2 in. There are still a few bubbles in here. So I can push them out. I can just lift this piece, and I can do the same on this side. Oh, there's quite a few more bubbles here. Turns out putting on screen protectors is tough. You can, if you want to, if you are worried about this, and you are probably in that price bracket. Doing this in store, if you buy this online, you have to do this yourself, but if you bought this in a store, somebody will help you. If you know a better technique than this, or if I'm doing this wrong, let me... Okay. Well, for now, that's gonna have to do. I want to get into the cover, but I mean, from the actual glass, that's actually a very good flush fit. Like, I think a lot of people might not even realize that it's there, which is really cool. Like I'm looking at the edges, and it feels like the glass from the phone. Terrible application, but I think that's more my fault than the actual faults of the glass. But let's get into the actual cover. So that aside, let's move all these things away. The cover, and they also the instructions are here on how to apply the cover, which is interesting because often they don't do it. So it's putting it on the back like this. This is really important to do it this way. So make sure that you are seeing where the buttons are, and you generally apply it where the buttons are first, and then clip it down. Very simple. The reason is you don't want to, if there is a certain kind of cover, you don't want to break the buttons on the outside. And yeah, let's peel this little sticker off. This is very nice. Wow. The one thing about the Fold is that it does feel a little bit too fragile, even if it isn't. It's just because it's so thin when you use it. And now the cover does something actually really special. It's given the back a bit of a lip because there's no cover on the front, right? So we've got the screen protector, but there's no actual cover clip for the front part of it. And that means that there's a lip that I can use to open it that's a lot easier. This strap is different from the other kinds of grip cases because it's got this elastic band. Put our hand through there, or even just a couple of fingers. You can't use this as a stand, I think, unfortunately. Let me just see. Can we? No. So, what are all these little high keys for? What are these little holes for? Are there different ways to use this case? Can you take this out? Let me see. If you open it up on the inside of the case, they've got tabs. Oh, for different hand sizes. Okay, got you. So we can make it like, we can like basically click these rungs in to make it bigger or smaller. So that's a bit bigger because I've got bigger hands. It's still no ability to make it a stand, which is what I would like from it. But that's the kind of setting I would use. So it's a little bit bigger. Just clicks like that. And then start with the buttons. Yeah, the bigger size. It's not as nice like this, right? So this is way too out of the way. Oh, I think I might actually use it if I was going to use this as my main one. Use it a little bit tighter. And also, I think the second rungs allow you to, you can remove this thing completely, maybe do different sizes. But having a case in here is actually very cool. The cameras are definitely protected, if by like 0.5 millimeter. I don't know if you can see that works. Using this case with this out really does make it like ridiculous on a table. I don't think this would be my first choice case. It is very nice. It is nice with a case on. It's more usable with a case on, and it will protect it. But yeah, if the grip cases are what you like, and if you like using something like this, and you are carrying your phone around a lot, this is a good option. If you want to see more videos on different options of cases, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out a lot. And check them out on the channel. I'm going to try to stick these all in a playlist for you so that you can find the right case for you. Very cool. I'm really keen to try the magnetic case. I think it's going to be one of the better ones. It's got reverse wireless charging, so. And if you like any of the cases, and if you like this case or any of the other ones that I do, make sure that you please help the channel. And if you like any of the cases, and if you like this case or any of the other cases that I do, it really does help the channel if you go through and follow a link to purchase. You don't lose any money. We make some affiliate. And yeah, this wouldn't be my first choice, but each to his own. This might be yours. Don't want to judge you. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.